Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let me ask you something real quick. If an emergency happened tonight, your car breaks down, you get a medical bill, or you suddenly lose your job, would you be financially okay, or would you panic? For millions of Americans, the answer is panic. Not because they're irresponsible, but because no one ever taught them how to build financial safety. Today, I'm going to show you how to build an emergency fund from zero, step by step, even if you live paycheck to paycheck, even if you have debt, and even if you feel like saving money is impossible. An emergency fund is money you keep only for real emergencies. Not shopping, not vacations, not investments. It's the money that protects you when life doesn't go as planned, and life never goes as planned. Most people hear that they need 6 months of savings, see that huge number, and give up before even starting. So forget 6 months, forget thousands of dollars. Your first goal is just $500. That small amount already covers most emergencies in the United States, like car repairs or medical co-pays. Small wins create confidence, and confidence changes behavior. The next thing you must do is separate this money from your daily spending. If your emergency fund stays in your checking account, it will disappear. Open a separate savings account and label it emergency only. No debit card, no temptation. This simple step alone changes everything. Now find money you're already losing. Look at your bank statement. Subscriptions you forgot about, food delivery, small daily spending that doesn't feel expensive, but adds up fast. You don't need to cut everything, just cut 1 or 2 things. Saving even $5 or $10 a day can grow faster than you think. After that, start paying yourself first. As soon as your paycheck hits, move a small amount into your emergency fund. $10, $25, whatever you can afford. Automate it so you don't have to rely on motivation. Consistency always beats motivation. If you're in debt, listen carefully. Without an emergency fund, every problem goes straight on a credit card. So build at least a small emergency fund first, then attack your debt harder. Safety comes before speed. If you want to build it faster, use short-term extra income. Sell unused items, work extra hours, or do a small side hustle. Every extra dollar goes straight into your emergency fund. This is temporary, not forever. Keep this money safe in a high-yield savings account. This is not investment money, it's protection money. Only use it for real emergencies, and when you use it, refill it. No guilt. That's what it's there for. An emergency fund doesn't just protect your money, it protects your peace of mind. It helps you sleep better, make better decisions, and avoid bad financial choices. You don't need to be rich to feel financially secure. You just need a system. Start small, stay consistent, and let your emergency fund work for you, instead of panicking every time life happens. And before you click away, let me say this, because this part really matters. A lot of people think an emergency fund is boring. It's not exciting like investing, crypto, or side hustles. There's no dopamine hit, no screenshots to flex. But this is the foundation. Without this, every other financial move you make is weak. It's like building a house on sand. I've seen people with good incomes make terrible decisions not because they were bad with money, but because they were desperate. Desperation makes you swipe credit cards. Desperation makes you take bad loans. Desperation makes small problems turn into long-term stress. An emergency fund removes desperation from your life. And here's the crazy thing, once you save your first $500, something shifts in your mind. You start thinking differently. You stop living in constant fear of the next bill or the next surprise. You feel a little calmer, a little more in control. That feeling is addictive in a good way. Then you realize, if I did this, I can do more. That's when you slowly grow your fund to 1 month of expenses, then 3 months, and maybe one day 6 months. But you don't rush it, you don't punish yourself. You just keep showing up consistently. And no, this doesn't mean you'll never enjoy your money. It means you enjoy it without guilt, and without fear. Because when something goes wrong, and something always does, you're ready. So if you're watching this right now and you've been telling yourself, I'll start next month, let this be your sign. Start today. Even if it's $10, especially if it's $10. The amount doesn't matter, the habit does. Financial freedom doesn't start with getting rich. It starts with feeling safe. If you stayed till the end, I appreciate you. Drop a comment saying emergency fund, so I know you're serious about your money journey. And if you want more simple, real-world personal finance videos like this, make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.